To my notes Oracle DBA YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about what is a cluster command. A cluster command can be used to organize the data in physically according to the particular index. This is a SQL command that can be run on the server. That is, it will tell him to the server, this is a data, this is an index, please organize the data accordingly to the index. This will physically sort the data, and here the data is not just sort logically. The way index is sorted and the same way your data is sorted physically based on your index. The cluster command is not recommended on the production server because it requires the access of exclusive lock on the table, and this entire table is shuffled because it is sorted according to the index and it's sorted physically. Why do we need it? Let us assume sometimes we are writing the query on the table where searching for the data based on the index, and also we want to access the data to be faster. We want to organize the data accordingly to the index. That's where the cluster command comes into the picture. It will be quite helpful when we are doing lot of order by class in our queries. If it is sorted physically, the data access is faster. It requires maintenance work underscore mem to a large value is recommended before running a cluster command. Limitations. It is a one-time activity, so that means future update will not cluster automatically. So we have to run the cluster again. To speed up the cluster, we requires more maintenance work memory. After the cluster command, it is advisable to run analyze command. Let us switch into the machine. Here I am going to connect my Postgres cluster by using PSQL client. Once I have connected, I am going to list out that all available databases by using \l. Here I am going to connect my teacher database by using \c. Here is the example. I am creating test underscore CLS table with ID and name column. Also, I am inserting value of 2, 1, 3, 5 and 4 in ID column. Now, if I want to sort the data physically to ID column, I can do that. Before, I need to add an index on the ID column. That index will be automatically organized descending order. Here, I am going to create an index for test underscore CLS ID column. That is, create index IDX underscore ID on test CLS of ID column. So index has been created. To view the index, we can use \di. Also, we need to create an index for test underscore CLS name column, where the index column is organized into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But my actual data is represented in the table 2, 1, 3, 5 and 4. Here we need to organize the data physically as well. So I will say here as a cluster name using index. The command is cluster test underscore CLS using IDX underscore ID. Once I have executed, now I am going to verify the table by using select star from test underscore CLS. If you see the result, that data of ID column has been organized physically based on the index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like the same, I am going to execute the cluster command against my index of column name. Once I have executed, I am going to verify select star from test underscore CLS. Now that name column has been organized from A to C ascending order.